Ever feel like you're talking to a wall? Or pitching your heart out only to get nothing? Sound of a thud as a visual shows a salesperson literally talking to a brick wall. Welcome to Pitch Slappers, where we transform sales fails into groundbreaking wins and content into serious revenue. We're here to revolutionize your sales game and turn you into a rockstar entrepreneur. We know the struggle, refreshing your inbox like it's going to change the world. Visuals of someone frantically refreshing their inbox. Here's the secret. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Pitch Slappers is here to share innovative hacks that ensure your emails get replies, your calls get callbacks, and your pitches close deals. Let's turn those no responses into happy dances. Sales doesn't have to be painful. We make it fun and profitable. We've got hacks that turn awkward situations into deal closers, like how to mirror body language without looking like a mime at a street fair. And then there's the follow-up game. Ever wonder why it's called that? Because it feels like a never-ending chase. We teach you to nail it in one smooth move. Close deals, skip the drama. Content is king, but only if it can make you ka-ching. We don't just tell you to make content, we show you how to make it rain. Visuals of someone excitedly creating content and seeing likes and dollar signs rolling in. Whether it's a blog, a video, or a LinkedIn post that actually gets shared, we'll show you how to turn those likes into loyal customers and cash in. Content creation equals conversions and cash flow. Real people, real results, no fake gurus here. Our community has seen real wins, from closing their biggest deals to making their content go viral. Visuals of enthusiastic clients with playful edits. And hey, if you're into epic success dances, we've got you covered, because closing deals should feel like winning the jackpot. Success stories from real slappers. It's time to slap those pitches into shape and turn content into cash. Join the Pitch Slappers family. We'll teach you how to master sales, leverage content, and have fun doing it. Ready to make it rain deals and have a blast doing it? Hit that subscribe button and let's start slapping those pitches together. Subscribe to Pitch Slappers. Master sales, leverage content, earn big, no boring pitches allowed. Special thanks to Basil Hulmani for his game-changing insights.